Hi guys, good morning. It's Jovi and today's Thursday, 2nd of May, and I'm going to work. So I'll just show you my outfit of the day. So just the beige and black heels. It's just a high-waisted jeans and a beige top and a black blazer to actually match my shoe. And also it's my bag for the day. Oh, I love this bag. Hi guys, I'm now in the car on my way to work. Paris is still sleeping, and I thought I'm gonna take you with me, like drive to work. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. Bye. hungry, guys, so I'll probably just get boost juice. Well, they've got Minister here too, and boost juice is just located under the Melbourne wheel. Can you see? I don't know if you can see properly. Alright, hang on. So I'm just getting boost juice, guys. I've got it now, guys. I just get the small one because I feel like the medium one is just too big for me. I can't finish it, so yeah. And I will break until 2 o'clock, so I still have time to ikot-ikot. Hi guys. Hi, just finished work. And guess what? It is date night. Thursday's date night, so I'm not going home, so I'll be wearing the same. So in the car now, guys. I'll drive to Footscray and meet Daddy there because we'll have dinner. And yeah, I'll see you when I get there. Bye. So here's the deal, guys. Mike came up with an idea that Thursday should be date night because since I had Paris, we never really had like time together, like alone. Yeah, I think like it's just healthy for a relationship to have, you know, the time together and, you know, do some stuff together, like when you were, you know, before you became parents, right? And now that Mimi is actually here and she's helping us, you know, looking after Paris, which we are very grateful about. Yeah, so we're able to do this. So that's why, like, you know, Thursday night, date night, we just go out and, you know, eat out and yeah, just talk about life, really, what's happening. And I think it's actually sweet for him to, it's very sweet for him to think about it, because yeah, I would never think about it, because I'd be like, oh, you know, I just want to go home and be with Paris, and of course, yeah, be with him. but not, you know, out when just the two of us without Paris. So yeah, I think that's really awesome. Yeah, I'm not far from there now. It is yeah, maybe 5 minutes drive. Oh, actually no, maybe less. This is what we're having for tonight. Have a look, guys. I have some rice. And of course, my date. My date for tonight. Just for tonight, guys. Tomorrow will be a different one. Have a look, guys. Makes sense. That's so witty. So Daddy's just looking for aftershave. It's Mother's Day here soon, guys. 12th of May. What are you getting? Huh? Hi guys, I'm home now with Paris. Hi Paris, honey. Say hi. Hi. Good job. Kiss Mama. I love you, sweetie. Did you miss Mama today? Mom. Yes, honey. Mama. Call Mama. 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 Dada. Say Dada. Yee. Did you have a nice day, sweetheart? Say hi, Mark. Okay. Oh. Oh. Wanna say bye now? Wanna say good night? See you later. Yeah. Alright guys, that's the end of the vlog. Oh my god, you're such a cutie, sweetie. Where is Paris? No, where is Paris? Yeah, that's the end of the vlog, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful.